Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Toshiba, nor Toshiba has paid me to talk about its brand and product. Hello everyone, welcome back to MITECKEE. Today in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of Toshiba Canvio 1TB external hard drive, and also going to talk about which one are better, pen drive or hard drive. But first let's get to unboxing. Here you can see I have this box. Inside this box I got Toshiba Canvio 1TB external hard drive and also this hard drive cable, which is a 2.0 hard drive cable which supports both 1.0 and 2.0 connectivity. But if you want a 3.0 connectivity, then you have to buy a 3.0 cable for hard drive, which is basically C-type cables for hard drive, which will give you a much faster data transfer rate. Let's keep this aside. Here we have the hard drive, which has a capacity of 1 TB and is a HDD hard drive, which stands for hard disk drive, which means it has a disk keep rotating inside it. Whenever you on it, will keep your memory. Also it is NTFS formatted, which means it will support Microsoft and Windows 7 and above operating system. But if you want to use it on Mac OS, then it requires reformatting. Its data transfer rate is 5 Gbps, which is the maximum possible speed and not the average speed. Its case material is made up of plastic, and the rotational speed which we get for this hard drive is 5400 rpm, which stands for rotation per minute. As you know, these things are quite fragile and needs utmost care. That's why we need these types of cases to protect this. But if you can't get this case, or if you don't want to buy it, then use the plastic covering. Here you can see like this, you can put it here and it will keep it safe. It is not water resistance, but it is shock resistance. Also it is password protected, which means you can encrypt it, which means every time you connect it to a computer or a laptop, it will need a password to show the memory or the things inside. Its dimensions are flashing on your screen right now, which is 109 mm into 78 mm into 14 mm. Its weight is 149 gram. We got only one port, and here you can see this one port, which is supports 2.0 and 3.0 connectivity. Whenever it shows blue light, it means it is connected to a 2.0 connectivity, and whenever it shows a white light, it means it is connected to a 1.0 connectivity. Okay, let's get to the another point or question, which is which ones are better, pen drive or hard drive. Let's first listen to my points. Like, pen drive are quite portable. You can easily put it anywhere and are quite small. Almost comes for every size, for 4 GB, 16 GB, also 1 TB. That's need a little hustle, but you can find it. In hard disks, they are not as portable as pen drive, but they are portable. And it comes in big variants in compare of size like 1 TB, 2 TB. But the main difference is the speed which we get. In pen drive, we get the speed like around 50 Mbps. In the hard disk, it is 5 Gbps. If you want very portable thing like pen drive, then you can go for it. Also because they can come a little cheap for their prices. But if you need really speed, then hard disks are quite nice, because the price which you give for the speed is quite nice. Also they are also portable, like you can easily put it in your jeans pockets or bags, and that's it. If you ask me, my personal choice will be a hard disk, but you can also go for a pen drive if you want a portable thing. Also, because hard disk acts like an internal storage drive, but pen drive are still an external source. That's why. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and thanks for watching.